So that's it about this video, folks. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please do subscribe to my channel, folks. You are watching the video, but you are not subscribing to my channel. Make sure hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and make sure that share this particular to needy ones, guys. Okay, so that they will understand how to approach the problem. Explain them this is a particular channel they are, who is explaining about the hacker and how we can approach the problem, what sort of the things has to be done. Okay, all right. So like till then, subscribe to my channel, stay tuned to my channel, so you'll get regular updates, content like this basically. Let me know in comment down below which kind of a topics do you want. Do you like this kind of a problem statement to be discussed each and every week, or like two problems a week, or in regular in every day you wanted the particular problem statement to be discussed?